This is my design for an LED candle. I had seen similar candles before and wanted to create my own version. The design starts with some 3D printed parts to hold the electronics. I purchased components online, a small microcontroller, a 15x7 LED screen, and a battery. Then I 3D printed additional pieces, turned a wooden tube on the lathe, and finished it with a glass dome. This is the final result. I added some extra animations for when the device powers on. In the end, I made 4 of these, and I'm really happy with how they turned out.